if you think luck is involved in achievement, you will never make it. You will never be successful with those beliefs. If you think luck and talent is involved in achievement, you will never be successful. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we are going to talk about talent, hard work, luck and hard work. So basically people think if you are lucky enough, you will be successful. If you are talented enough, you will be successful. Well, no. If you did hard work, if you worked enough, you will be successful. The thing is, people think that some people are lucky so they are successful, some people aren't lucky so they are not successful. Well, this is not the case. The person who is successful worked hard, started working when that person was very, very young, and that person really worked hard to be there where that person is today. And people think that person is lucky. Well, no, that person is not lucky. You can also be successful by just one thing, and that is hard work. And hard work is very hard. Well, you have probably heard this quote by now: no pain, no gain. Simple, no pain, no gain. And we have always met someone who always failed in their classes, who literally failed in their classes, who was no good in studies, but that person have created an amazing lifestyle with happiness, wealthiness, and the thing that person wanted, he have that. How? What is the secret? Keep watching this video to know what's the secret. If you think luck is involved in success, well, I hate to break it to you, 86% of the millionaires in this planet Earth are self-made. What that means is 86% of all the successful people, 86% of all the successful people in this planet Earth made their own money, their own sacrifice, their own creation, their own persistence, their own dreams. They were totally not given handouts from their parents. They were totally not born into wealth, and they didn't win a lot or get lucky, People say they were lucky. No, they weren't lucky. When most of them, I can tell you, most of them were born into poor families, are from poor families, and they fought their way to success. By what? By hard work. 86% of all the millionaires and all the successful people in this planet Earth, that are present, are self-made. They were not born into wealth. Their families, their parents were not wealthy. Their parents were not millionaires, but they are millionaires, right? Because they worked hard. They didn't settle themselves in the environment they had. They had a poor environment. They were not born into wealth, so they had a poor environment. They studied. They worked hard. They refused to take their family's limitation as their own. They refused to live in that environment. They build a new standard. They settled in a new mindset. They changed their mindset. First of all, you have to change your mentality, because what you think is what's happening with you. You think you will fail in your next upcoming exam, you will totally fail. If you think you'll ace all your tests, you will. What you believe is what you can achieve. What you believe is possible. Hard work is a thing. The only pathway to the destination. And what is that destination? Success. And hard work is the only way to success. Talent has nothing to do with success and nothing to do with achievements. Neither do genes. Genes have nothing to do with achievement. Your father was a millionaire. You won't be a millionaire if you don't have that mentality. Your father was not a millionaire. You will never be a millionaire if you have the same mentality as his. You have to change your mentality. What your parents think 10 times ahead than them. Think a little deep into that conversation, a little more into that topic, then you will be successful. Think the thing that you are seeing from this perspective is looking okay to you, but these perspectives, they won't see that thing that you are seeing. First of all, people will throw their opinions, and first of all, wrong opinion to you, and if you believe those, well, your mindset was not strong enough. You were that weak that you believed everyone. You were seeing that from the right perspective. You were the only one from the who was seeing that your destination from the right perspective, because you are straight. People are judging from the sides. They will never see your destination, but you are seeing that and you believe those. That means your mindset was not strong enough. Talent has nothing to do with it either. If you can read fast, no one, it's there are 20% chance that you will be successful. Because if you can read fast, so what? You worked hard. No, it was just a talent. If you worked hard for your talent and you worked hard to achieve that talent, then okay, you can be successful. As Stephen King clearly stated that talent is cheaper than the table salt, and what separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of hard work. You will never be successful if you don't do hard work. I'll give you an example. Elon Musk, one of the youngest millionaires. He's just in his 40s, but he's a millionaire. He's sending his own created cars to space. He created an electric car, which was impossible until he did it. Then he made a station, a point to charge that car, which was impossible until he did it. He sent his car to space, which was impossible until he did it. And if you have, if you know what was Elon Musk's story, he was not that wealthy. His father was abusive. He didn't had his mother around because they were divorced. His father was abusive. He is totally not abusive to his children. His father was poor. He is a millionaire. Because his mentality was changed. His environment was just pointing fingers at him when he was doing work, and look at where he is now. He's sending his own created cars to space, which was literally impossible until he did it. He showed everyone that it is possible, because his mentality said that it is possible, then it is possible. As I stated before, what you believe you can achieve, and what you believe is totally possible. What are you prepared to do for your dream to come true? What are you prepared to do? What are you willing to sacrifice for your dream to come true? What are you willing to suffer for? If what you believe it is possible, right? What you believe you can achieve, what you believe is possible. So many people say think positive. Why do we have to think positive? Because our mindset is the only thing that can give us strength. I believe that I will ace all my tests, and I will ace all my tests. You go in your classroom to give the final exam of your class, and you say, oh, I would fail. You would totally fail. Mentality is the only thing. Why is lion the king of the jungle? Because his mentality, he will never join a group. He will be the leader of that group. He will never follow you to the slaughterhouse. He will lead you to the slaughterhouse, and he would never go in there to be killed. Lion is never gonna be the biggest, largest animal of the forest. Well, elephant is one of those. Why isn't an elephant? He isn't the tallest. Giraffe, one of animals, giraffe is tallest is giraffe, and he totally isn't the cleverest. It sometimes works. Then why is he the king of the jungle? Because his mentality, he will never follow you. You have to follow him. That's why the king of the jungle is lion. So you would fail, okay, and you think that it's impossible. You didn't even attempt to do it, and you think it's impossible. And even if you attempted it and you failed, with the lack of beliefs and the lack of effort, your limited beliefs will be reinforced by the fact that you failed. You failed because you didn't put any effort and you didn't put any, your beliefs were not that positive. But your mind, the negative person's mind would say that, oh, it was impossible, I attempted it and I failed. No, if it is not impossible, you had a limited belief and your mindset was different and you didn't put any effort to it because you just thought it was impossible. Change your mentality. If you change your mentality, it will lead you to greater beliefs and of course apparently greater results. Just mentality and your environment affects you the most. The people that you are surrounded by, the people that are surrounding you affect you the most. And I am telling you, it is truth. If you are sitting in between some negative minded people, you will be negative under 5 minutes. If you are sitting between some positive minded people, you will be positive. And if you have true beliefs in your mind, your mindset is strong enough that no one can break it. Even if you're sitting between some negative minded people, they cannot change your mind because your mindset is strong. Make that strong mindset that someone come to you and say some negative things, you won't believe it because your mindset is strong. Of course, it should be strong. You cannot be successful until your mindset, you cannot be successful because mindset is the only thing that can lead you to success. Your mentality. Lion was never born with the mentality, he adapted it. Lion like a cub is surrounded by elder lions. And why? Because he has to adapt that mentality that his elder has, that we are not going to follow, we are going to lead. And if you just think I am not going to follow, I am going to lead, you are going to lead. I am telling you, you are going to lead. So change your mindset, build that mentality that a lion has, that a king of the jungle has. So just ask yourself these questions. What are you willing to sacrifice for? And that thing is your dream. Are you prepared to achieve your dream? Will you suffer for your dream? First of all, will you suffer to achieve your dream, to make your dream make your dream come true? We all know a person who is very smart but is on minimum wage. We all know a person who literally failed in every class but have created an amazing lifestyle, wealthiness, happiness, achievement. How? What is the secret then? It is hunger. It is totally just hunger. People are hungry. If a person failed in his school, well, that person, if he is hungry, his mentality is something, he has a positive mind, he will find a way. And I'm telling you, he will find the best of all, the best way to success, to his destination. What is that destination? Success. A person who aced his test, every single test, who graduated from the best and best of school, if that person don't have the right mind, don't have that positive mentality, he will never be successful. I am telling you, if a person who failed can be successful with only the mentality that he had, you also can be successful. Maybe the person who failed did not go to the best and best of all the college. Maybe he just went to a small college. But that doesn't define his character. What defined his character? His mentality. He studied. That the small college and the best college of all have the same studies. So he studied. He worked hard, his mentality changed, his hobbies changed, he have hobbies, he changes his hobbies time by time, he changes his character time by time. His mentality was so great that no one can break it and he is successful. And people are, what is the secret then? I told you, the secret is just hunger. How hungry are you? How hungry are you for success? Literally, personally, I am starving. I am literally starving for success. Ask yourself, how hungry am I? How hungry am I for success, huh? So this is gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We talked about hard work, no talents, success, no luck. So hope you guys learned something new totally. Just remember, as Stephen King clearly, literally clearly stated, table salt is expensive than the talent. Talent is cheaper than the table salt. And what separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work. And when he said a lot, he means a lot and a lot of hard work. So work hard, you will be successful. Believe in yourself, love yourself. These are the things that will lead you to success. Hope you guys will have a great day ahead. Subscribe if you enjoyed, like this video, comment down below, and adios. I'm out.